Hey y'all, it's Tara. We're back here again with Black Mamas Do Science, ready for another experiment. This time we'll be making slime. So this experiment will help your kids be introduced to colors and also a chemical reaction. So for our experiment today, we did try it two different ways. One with slime activator, and I will put that down below in the comments where you can buy it. And also we tried it with baking soda and contact solution. So let us know in the comments which way you like the best. So for this experiment, the ingredients you'll need for the first way we attempted slime are white Elmer's glue. You'll need food coloring to add to your slime, and then you'll also need the activator. And also I would add a container to put your slime in just so it's not sitting on your table. So once we got the ingredients together, Dax and I dumped about 1/4 cup of white Elmer's glue. So this depends on how much slime you want to make. So if you are intending to make a lot of slime, then add more glue. If you just want to try it out like we did, I would add just about 1/4 cup of glue. Then I helped Dax drop food coloring into the glue mix so that we can have a colorful slime instead of just white. Once you mix all of that together, so make sure all of the food coloring is mixed in with the glue. You'll start to add in the activator little by little and continue to stir. And as you stir, you'll notice that your slime will start to form. The more activator you use, the thicker the slime will become. So I let Dax go to town with playing with the slime. Did your kids like pulling it apart too? He had a little issue with it being on his hands, so we had to work that out. But he definitely liked pulling it far out and back in, as you can see. So hopefully your kids enjoyed that. And again, if you add more slime activator, the thicker the slime will be. And so that'll make it won't break apart when your kids try to pull it. So make sure you add enough slime activator, definitely. Dax here definitely knew that he had it, and so he pushed me out of the way. He was like, watch out, Mom, I got this. I don't need your help anymore. So hopefully this allows your kids to have some more confidence in doing things by themselves. I don't think Dax needed any help.
So we tried this experiment again, this time with ingredients you probably have all around the house. So for this experiment, you'll need baking soda, you'll need contact solution, you'll need white Elmer's glue, and then you'll also need food coloring. So to get started, go ahead and pull your ingredients out and pour glue into a bowl. Depending on how much slime you want to make is how much glue you need to add. Once you add the glue, make sure that you add the food coloring into the mixture and mix it together. This is Dax's favorite part, and so I really enjoyed helping him have some control in dumping the food coloring into the glue. We did not do this in the experiment the correct way, and you'll see why it's important to add the food coloring in before you add the contact eye solution. So after you add the food coloring, go ahead and add the baking soda, and then you'll just keep stirring, and then go ahead and last add the contact solution. When you add the contact solution, that serves as the activator for your slime. So you'll see here we added the food coloring after, and it kind of sat on top of the slime and didn't really get mixed in. So make sure you add it before. That's the one thing I need to tell everybody, add it before you add the contact solution. The consistency for this slime was just a tad bit different. Dex, he liked it, but I think he liked pulling apart the first one a little bit more.
Okay, y'all see why I said to add the food coloring in before the contact solution? It just kind of sits on top and it's kind of gross. So again, my reminder, I know this is like my third or fourth time saying it, but make sure to add the food coloring in with your glue before the contact solution. As you can see, the slime, the second time we did it, wasn't as elastic. And so Dax just kind of pulled it apart and it kind of broke apart, unlike the first time where it was long and elastic.
So the science behind the slime is the glue used in the experiment is made up of long chains of molecules, and in its normal form, these chains usually slide past each other pretty freely, which lets the glue continue to flow. Chemical bonds are created when we mix the glue and the slime activator together. The contact solution we used in the second experiment serves as an activator that you buy at the store. The activators change the positions of the molecules in the glue, which is called cross-linking, and a chemical reaction occurs, and then you end up getting the slime because the molecules have become tangled instead of free-flowing. So from our slime experiment, we saw that Dax really enjoyed the glue a lot more than he did the slime. And I think the consistency was just a little weird for him, and so that's probably why he didn't enjoy messing with it as much as he liked dipping his hand into the glue or the activator. But let us know in the comments how your kid liked this experiment, and we look forward to seeing you with our next one. Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all. Okay, let's mute. Hey, Dax, look. We're back for another... Okay, wait a second. One more. Look at the camera. Dax. Say, I'm ready for my next experiment. Yeah. So we're ready for our next experiment. Dax. Okay. Well, we tried. Say hello. Hi.